Hello everyone, welcome to this podcast show. I'm Henry, your host. Today's show is about the flat roof issues and the repair services. With time due to heavy rainfall, hailstorm, heat or UV rays, the flat roof surface gets damages. Negligence in proper maintenance of the roof system often brings bigger issues. Leakages, blocked drainage, crack, etc. are very common issues in flat roof systems. Only the expert roof technicians can give the best solution after examining the condition of the roof system. For any commercial flat roof repair service in Frederick, MD, I'll recommend you to contact the expert technicians of 360 Commercial Roofing. The technicians are licensed and trained to perform all types of services regarding roof repair. For roof repairing, the technicians apply Conklin roof coating that can extend the roof life for many years. For further details, visit their website www.360commercialroofing.com/ or call 717-496-1753 for any queries. I'll be right back with another episode. Till then, stay tuned.